Good morning, students. Students, in exercise 6.1 of chapter 6, we studied about algebraic expressions, variable, constant, monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial, like and unlike terms, etc. Students, today we will start exercise 6.2, and here students we will discuss addition, how to do addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Because normal addition subtraction you know very well, but here we will do addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay, so how we will do addition and subtraction of variables, okay, in algebraic expressions. For this students, here I am taking questions of exercise 6.2. Okay, so question number 1 is add, and part 1 24xy, 19xy, minus 4xy. It means students 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 algebraic expressions are given here, and we are to add all these 3 algebraic expressions. So first of all students, I am going to tell you what is the rule, how we can add and how we can subtract. First of all, for addition and for subtraction students, we are to check the given equations are like or unlike. For like and unlike, you know very well, we check variables. Okay students, variables only we will check. 24xy, 19xy, minus 4xy. So xy, xy. Variables are same. Even powers also same. Okay, x is having power 1, y is power 1. Here also and there also. It means the given equations are like terms. They are like. Okay students. So easily we can add 24xy plus 19xy plus minus 4xy. Students, now 24xy plus 19xy minus plus, because two signs are coming together, minus plus will be minus 4xy. Now students, easily 24xy, 19xy we will add, it will be 43xy, then minus 4xy. From 43xy, we are to subtract 4xy. Students, it will be 39xy. So students, like this you can do addition of algebraic expressions. Okay, nothing I did here, only first of all I checked these are like terms or unlike. These all are like terms, then I have added here, and here two signs are coming, so you will operate. Okay students. Students, one more question. 3x square, minus 10x square, 4x square. Again x square, x square. Given terms are like, so 3x square plus, because we are to add, then minus 10x square plus 4x square. Again 3x square will come as it is, minus plus. Minus plus minus will be minus. As you know, plus minus will be minus. So here minus will come, 10x square, then plus 4x square. Students, now 3x square, no sign is given here. It means it is having plus sign. 3x square is having plus sign, 4x square is having plus sign. So we can write them together. So 3x square plus 4x square minus 10x square. Okay, same sign I have written together. It will be 7x square minus 10x square. Now student, 7 is having plus sign, 10 is having minus sign. Plus minus, again minus. So 10 minus 7, 3x square will come as it is. Now what about the sign? Sign will come of greater number. From 10 and 7, which number is greater? 10 is greater. And the sign of 10 is minus. So here minus sign will come. Or here students, in rough column, minus 10x square plus 7x square. X square will come as it is. Minus plus will be minus. 10 minus 7, 3. And the sign of greater number will come. So minus 3x square is your final answer. Okay students? Students, now part third, x square plus y square plus 2xy. This is one equation, okay, and it is having three terms. Now, comma 3x square plus y square minus 4xy. Again three terms. Then comma x square plus y square, two terms. Okay. So students, you can see here this third number is different last two from the last two. Okay. So in that last two questions, what we did, only simple addition and subtraction we did only. But here students, because three terms are given within one equation, here three terms, here three terms, here two terms. Okay, so it is not possible that we will solve that in by writing in one line. It is not possible. It will be more confusing. So here students, we will use column method. Which method students? Column method means in column form we will arrange. So first of all, I will write this, then this one, then this one. Because in addition, any number you can write bigger number upside, smaller number downside, or smaller number upside, bigger number downside. Doesn't matter. So I am taking here x square plus y square plus 2xy. This one equation. Now x square and here 3x square. So this 3x square will come downside of x square. Okay. Now plus sign. Then this y square downside of y square. Then minus sign. And 4xy. So 4xy will come downside of 2xy. Okay. Like terms will come together. Now last one, x square. It will come here. Then plus y square. And here nothing is given, so no need to write. You can leave this space. Okay. Now we will add. Okay students, we will add. So again, don't see this one. Only we are having plus 2xy and minus 4xy. Again students, plus 2 and minus 4. Plus minus minus. Okay. Plus 2 minus 4. Plus minus minus. So 4 minus 2, 2 will come, and the sign of 2 will be minus because greater number is having minus sign. So 2 and 4 plus minus minus, minus 2 xy will come as it is. Students, here y square, y square, y square, all are having plus sign. Y square means it is 1y square. This is also 1y square and this is also 1y square. So 1 plus 1, it will be 3y square with a plus sign. Now here students, this is 3x square. Nothing is given, so this is 1 and this is also 1. So and all are having plus sign. So 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 5. This is 5x square with a plus sign. And no need to write this plus sign, and if you want to write, you can write. So 5x square plus 3xy minus 2xy. Student, here it was easy because all are having plus sign. This was also having because all are having plus sign. But here signs are opposite. So plus minus will be minus. 4 minus 2, 2. And the sign of greater number will come minus. Okay. So this was your question number 3. When equations are long, you can use this column method. Students, now part number 4. Again 3 equations are given. 2x square plus 4y square plus 5 minus x square plus 3y square plus 10 minus 2x square minus 4y square minus 10. So first of all, I will write this one, 2x square plus 4y square plus 5. Then this one, minus x square plus 3y square and plus 10. Then that one, minus 2x square minus 4y square and minus 10. Here students, again we are to add. So one by one we will add and we will start from the right hand side. Okay student. So first of all, 5 and 10 both are having same sign. So 5 plus 10, 15. 15 minus 10. What will come? 5. Plus 5. Because 15 is having plus sign. 5 plus 10 plus 15 and here minus 10. What will come? Plus 5. Okay students. Now here this 4 and this 3 both are having plus sign. So 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 4, what will come? 3y square with the plus sign. Because 4 plus 3, 7 is having plus sign. Okay. So 7y square minus 4y square. What will come? 3y square with the plus sign. Now here students, this is plus 2x square minus x square and minus 2x square. Okay. So in this case students, 2x square. This is plus 2x square and this is minus 2x square. Okay. You can see students, variable is same x, power is same x square, but sign are opposite. So when this condition comes, what we can do? We can cancel out both of them. So here 2x square positive and 2x square negative we can cancel. Both we can cancel. Now what is remaining? Minus x square only. Here also this plus 10 minus 10 you can cancel. Here also plus 4y square minus 4y square you can cancel. Because students, 4y square positive and minus 4y square. Y square, both variable and powers are same. Coefficient also same. So when equations are same, when terms are same and sign are opposite, you can cancel and the answer will be 0. So directly 2x square you can cut and minus x square is your answer. 4y square you can cancel out and 3y square is your answer. 10 and 10 you can cut and 5 is your answer. Okay students. Now after completing this question number 1, addition, now we are going to start subtraction. And subtraction is quite different from addition. Students, now question number 2, subtract part 1, 10xy from minus 4 minus 14xy. 10xy we are to subtract from minus 14xy. Okay students, and remember one thing, after from what is coming? Minus 14xy. So from this term means minus 14xy we are to subtract 10xy. Okay, because in this students remain confused and what they are doing, normally what they are doing, 10xy minus 14xy, that is wrong. Okay, so what will come here? Minus 14xy, and what we are to do? Subtract. So sign of subtraction will come and then 10xy. And students, you can see here 10xy and minus 14xy both are very simple algebraic expression, means both are very simple terms, like terms, because both are having xy and xy. So both are like terms and only one term they are having. Okay, so we can use this horizontal method. No need to write in column method. When more terms will come within one equation, 3, 4 terms will come, then we will use column method. Okay, so minus 14xy minus 10xy. Students, now minus and minus. You know very well minus and minus what will be? Plus. So 14 and 10 it will be 24. Xy will come as it is. Now what about the sign? Sign of greater number will come and greater number is 14 and 14 sign is minus. So this is your answer, minus 24 xy. Students, second part, minus 5x cube y from minus 10x cube y. So x cube y both are like. So first of all minus 10 x cube y and we are to subtract. So minus sign will come and minus 5 x cube y, it will come in bracket. Now minus 10 x cube y minus plus 5x cube y. Now again this minus and plus, minus plus, it will be minus. So 10 minus 5, it will be 5x cube y. And what about the sign? Sign of greater number means minus sign will come. Okay students. Now next one, part third. Students, in part third, you can see in one equation 3 terms are given. In another equation 2 terms are given. So it means students, here we will not use horizontal method, we will use column method. Okay. So first I will write this a b square. Sorry student, we are what we will do here? We are to subtract the first term from the second term. We are to subtract here first term from the second term. So that term will come upside. So here minus 2ab square plus 3b square we will write upside. Then ab square here, ab square. So where will come it? ab square will come here. Okay. Now only b square, so here b square. And a square b, no term is given. So here you can write minus a square b. Like this you can write. Okay. Students, now leave some space and then you can sketch 2 lines. Because students, in this column method, it is very important that we will change the sign of the last equation. We will change the sign. Minus sign, it will be plus sign. Plus sign, it will be minus sign. Here also it is having plus sign now. It will be minus sign. Now upside nothing is given. So it will come as it is, a square b with plus sign. Because what is the new sign? Plus sign. So now we will ignore this old sign. Now again plus and minus. Okay, so don't consider this sign and don't consider this sign. You are having the new sign minus. Okay. Now plus 3b square and minus b square. Minus b square means this is 1b square. Again plus minus, it will be minus. So 3 minus 1, 2b square. What will come? 2b square. And what is the sign of 2b square? Sign of greater number means plus 2b square. Here minus 2ab square and 1ab square. This is minus, this is minus. Minus minus plus. So 2 plus 1, 3ab square. Okay. And what is the sign of 3ab square? Sign of greater number means minus sign. So your answer is minus 3ab square plus 2b square plus a square b. Okay. In this column method, when you are doing subtraction, only remember one thing. Like terms will come downside of the like terms, and at last equation you are to change the sign. And old sign, don't consider old sign. Okay. One more question is students. 7 minus 2x minus x square, 3x square minus 4x plus 2. From the second term, we are to subtract first term. So first of all, I have written this second term, 3x square minus 4x plus 2. Now this 7 will come downside of 2 with plus sign because it is having plus sign. Minus 2x, it will come here, and minus x square will come here. Again we are to change the sign. So it will be minus, it will be plus, it will be plus. Okay. Now don't consider this old sign. Plus 2 minus 7. Plus minus minus 7 minus 2, 5 with minus sign because greater number is having minus sign. Now here minus 4x plus 2x. Minus plus minus 4 minus 2, 2x. Sign of greater number will come. 3 is having plus sign. X is also having, x square is also having plus sign. Plus plus will be plus. 3x square and x square. It will be 4x square with a positive sign. Okay students, so like this in today's class we learned about how to do addition and subtraction of given algebraic expressions. Okay students, in next class more questions we will do of exercise 6.2 and we will finish exercise 6.2. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day all.